Join me as I dive deep into the world of immunization and try to explain it in the simplest way possible, just like the Australian Academy of Science would. The Australian Academy of Science plays a vital role in promoting scientific understanding, particularly in immunization, by providing accurate and reliable information to the public. Vaccines have been a game changer in the fight against infectious diseases, but despite their success, many communities still face challenges related to vaccine misinformation and hesitancy. This can lead to low vaccination rates, which in turn put vulnerable individuals at risk of contracting serious diseases. Misinformation spreads quickly, often through social media, and can be difficult to correct. The consequences of not vaccinating can be severe, ranging from outbreaks of preventable diseases to long-term health complications. Communities with low vaccination rates are not only putting their own health at risk but also the health of those around them, particularly young children and the elderly who may not be able to receive vaccines due to certain medical conditions. Vaccine hesitancy can be influenced by a variety of factors, including cultural and social norms, lack of access to healthcare, and mistrust of the medical community. The importance of addressing vaccine misinformation and hesitancy cannot be overstated, as it has the potential to undermine decades of progress in public health. By promoting accurate information and addressing concerns in a compassionate and non-judgmental way, we can work towards increasing vaccination rates and protecting our communities. Vaccines are extensively tested for safety and efficacy before they are approved for use, and the benefits of vaccination far outweigh the risks. Vaccines work by introducing a small, harmless piece of a virus or bacteria to the body, which triggers an immune response and allows the body to learn how to fight the infection. This means that if the individual is exposed to the actual virus or bacteria in the future, their immune system will be able to recognize and fight it off more effectively. The science behind immunization is complex, but the benefits are clear. Vaccines save lives and prevent serious diseases. Being vaccinated not only protects the individual but also helps to prevent the spread of disease in the community, which is especially important for people who may not be able to receive vaccines due to certain medical conditions. Vaccines have been instrumental in controlling and even eliminating many serious diseases, such as smallpox and polio. Vaccination is a crucial tool in the fight against infectious diseases, and its impact extends far beyond the individual. By getting vaccinated, we are not only protecting ourselves, but also our loved ones and our community. The benefits of immunization are numerous, and the risks associated with vaccines are extremely low. A compelling example of the impact of immunization is the story of a community that worked together to increase vaccination rates and prevent the spread of a serious disease. Through education and outreach, the community was able to overcome misinformation and hesitancy, and as a result, they were able to protect their most vulnerable members and prevent a potentially devastating outbreak. In summary, immunization is a crucial aspect of public health, and it's essential that we understand the science behind it and the benefits it provides. The Australian Academy of Science plays a vital role in promoting scientific understanding, and by working together, we can overcome vaccine misinformation and hesitancy. If you've had a personal experience with immunization, share it with us in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring another important aspect of public health.